Little Joey was flying his paper airplane when he suddenly found a big, juicy tomato. At that moment, he started to remember what his teacher had told him about tomatoes in class. First of all, tomatoes grow best in dry climate. Secondly, tomatoes are fruits and not vegetables. Tomatoes can be used to make different sauces. Tomatoes can also be put in a sandwich. Hmm, how will I eat my tomatoes? Maybe to make a delicious and cheesy pepperoni pizza, or maybe to make spaghetti with meatballs. I can make ketchup with tomatoes, or I can even ask my mom to make me a very delicious salad with tomatoes in it. But what to choose? What to choose? There's so much to make with tomatoes. I mean, now that I think about it, there's other animals that simply eat tomatoes out of a garden. I mean, animals such as rabbits, deer, squirrels, raccoons eat the tomatoes just like that and nothing happens to them. Maybe nothing will happen to me. For now, I'll just settle with a sandwich. I'll put tomatoes in my sandwich. Yes, that's it.